How's it going? Kevin here, or Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Island Union Elementary School here in Lemoore, California, and it was just an awesome day with the kindergartners all the way up to 8th graders that I got to speak to on positive life choices. And one of the biggest choices that I always talk about is how we need to choose to first love ourselves and get past some of the pain that's going on in our lives or our hearts to become the healed people that can then go and heal others by showing them love and kindness and compassion. I had a few students that came up to me afterwards and they just told me that, they shared with me one of their disabilities, but the whole idea behind it is that they've found true best friends, that they see them for their heart before anything else. They see them for the miracle like we talk about on our palms, and they see them, like my shirt says here, one race human, as human beings before anything else. And these couple individuals, even though they have this disability, all of us may have a physical disability, or sometimes our disability is that we just don't show enough love, but they always have a bigger heart, and you can always sense that. And sometimes that's the only thing people remember you for is your heart, or want to remember you for is your heart, but only if you treat people the right way, lift them up rather than tear them down. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to be back in one day soon. I appreciate everyone here. Keep shining your light. Peace.